For our Trickier challenge,
we are looking at number patterns and creating our own. These could be number patterns that are going up, number patterns that are going down. You might be skip counting by 100, 10, 5, 2, 3, 4, 15, 12. You can pick whatever number works for you. So you could start at a big number and count down, or start at a little number and count up. I'm going to start at 102, and I'm going to count up by 200. Why not? And go 302, 502, 702. Now, if I were going to describe my pattern, I would say that my pattern is going up. So my pattern goes up by 200 each time. Well, why don't I do a different pattern this time? That pattern goes up. Let's do a pattern that goes down. Let's see if you can work out what the pattern is. I'm going to start at 36, then go 33, 30, 27, 24, 21. Do you know what my pattern is? What am I going down by? So I would describe my pattern as my pattern goes down by 3 each time. See, 36 to 33, it's 3 less, 3 less, 3 less, 3 less, 3 less. Each time it goes down by 3. Now it's your turn to come up with your own number pattern.